Why can a submarine stay underwater for 120 days? Where does its oxygen come from? This is the Typhoon-Class submarine, the largest submarine ever built in history. It is 175 meters long, 23 meters wide, 11 meters high, and weighs 48,000 tons. If you pull it out of the water and place it on land next to buildings, you will find that it is even taller and bigger than a building. A giant submarine like this can take more than 100 people and travel underwater at a depth of 250 meters for 120 days, or even longer. Inside the submarine, there is a gym, bathroom, kitchen, and all basic living facilities. To let more than 100 crew members live underwater for a long time, the submarine has two ways to produce oxygen. The first method is the water electrolysis oxygen generator. This device has a positive tank and a negative tank. As long as purified seawater and electrolyte are added, electricity will turn water into oxygen at the positive side and hydrogen at the negative side. After electrolysis, the oxygen and hydrogen are purified and cooled inside a separator. Then, oxygen is sent through pipes into different compartments of the submarine. This device can produce 4,000 liters of oxygen every hour. The hydrogen is finally released outside the submarine. The second method is burning chlorate candles. This is a solid candle that contains iron powder and sodium chlorate. When heated, it releases oxygen. This device does not need electricity. It is small and it can produce a large amount of oxygen. It is also used in spacecraft. As the largest submarine in the world, the Typhoon-Class also has a nuclear-powered propulsion system. With only a small amount of uranium fuel, it can operate underwater for 20 years. So how does such a powerful nuclear reactor provide energy? This is the reactor vessel. It contains tens of thousands of fuel rods, and each rod stores uranium fuel that is processed into small particles. When neutrons hit the nuclei of the uranium fuel, a fission reaction happens. It releases 2 to 3 neutrons and about 200 million electron volts of energy. The new neutrons continue hitting other uranium atoms. Under this chain reaction, the fuel rods produce high heat. Then high-pressure water absorbs the heat and sends it to the steam generator. Inside the steam generator, the heat boils the water and turns it into steam. This steam flows through pipes into the turbine unit. The spinning turbine drives the huge gearbox, and finally, the power is transferred to the propeller. Other than strong power, the Typhoon-Class can also carry 20 intercontinental missiles. Each missile carries a nuclear warhead weighing 100 tons. Its range reaches 12,000 kilometers. This is how powerful this nuclear submarine is. Russia plans to build at least 2 more by 2026. If Russia deploys them, do you think Ukraine can handle it?